How to go viral on YouTube every time you upload. Imagine this: you upload a YouTube short, go to bed, and wake up to thousands or even millions of views. Sounds impossible, right? It is not. Today, I am breaking down exactly how to go viral on YouTube Shorts every single time you upload. And trust me, this isn't luck or guesswork. It is a strategy that works. If you're tired of your videos being ignored, stay tuned because I am spilling the secrets that have taken my short to the next level. Hi, welcome back and welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite Daisy Pictures TV. Please, if you are new to this channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video to a whole lot of people so that they can get to see this video. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Just stick around because in this video, we are going to tell you how to go viral on YouTube Shorts every time you upload. Every time you upload your YouTube short. So stick around because this video is a game changer. Let's dive in. Short form content is the future, and YouTube Short is one of the easiest way to get discovered right now. This year 2025. But the algorithm can feel like a mystery, right? Well, not anymore. I have cracked the code, and today I am sharing the 5 pillars of creating shorts that go viral consistently. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to replicate this result for yourself. Segment 1. Nail the first 3 seconds of your YouTube short. The first 3 seconds of your YouTube short are everything. If you don't grab attention immediately, viewers will scroll right past your videos. Start with something shocking, funny, or intriguing. For example, instead of saying, "Hi, my name is this," "Hi, my name is Chamaka," "My name is Glory," jump right into the action. Say something like, "This is how I turn $1 into $1,000," or show you something visually striking. Hook them and they will stay to your channel. Segment 2. Keep it fast, paced, and visually engaging. Attention spans are short, especially on shorts. Keep your video fast-paced by using quick cuts, transitions, and movements. Add captions or text overlays to highlight key points because many viewers watch without sound, like they watch those YouTube shorts without any sound. Sound effects and music are also huge. They add energy and keep people engaged. The third segment is leveraging trending sounds and topics. Trends are your best friend. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges to ride the wave of what is popular. But here is the trick: don't just copy trends. Make them yours. Add a unique twist to stand out. For example, if there is a trending dance, incorporate it into your niche. This keeps your content relevant while showcasing your personalities. Segment 4. Optimize your titles and hashtags. Your titles and hashtags matter more than you think. Titles should create curiosity or promise value. For example, instead of saying "making pasta," try the secret to perfect pasta in 20 minutes. As for hashtags, use a mix of trending ones like hashtag shorts and niche specific ones to target your audience. This increases the chances of your YouTube short being discovered by the right audience. Segment 5. consistency and testing. Here is the hard truth. Not every shot will go viral. If you don't know it today. Have it at the back of your mind that not all shots you post on your YouTube go viral, and that is okay. The key is to upload consistently and treat every video as a learning experience. Yes, look at your analytics, what worked and what didn't work. Experiment with format, styles, and length. Over time, you will see patterns and refine your content strategy. Remember, consistency beats the perfection. Consistency is the king. So, whenever you are posting your short, you don't just post your short once and just gone like that. Nobody will see you again. You need to be consistently posting because you might not know the short that will go what? Viral. Alright? Every viral short is there waiting for you to do what? To implement, to show them to the world, I'm going to give you a tips. A bonus tips on how you are going to go viral. You are going to go viral using this YouTube short. Tip number one is call to action without being pushy. Add a quick subtle call to action, something like, if you like this, follow for more. This encourages engagement without feeling forced. Like your viewers, your audience will not feel forced. The more people engaged to watch in your video, the more the algorithm pushes your content. Tip 2 is post at optimal times. Yes, you should have a specific time that you can post these shorts. Like me, if I want to post my shorts, I post my shorts between 12 noon because by that time, viewers who are always watching short videos are on their peak time. That is the time they go to watch what? Short what? Form video. So when you post your short at that time, now you might likely to catch those viewers immediately, or for the viewers that will still come maybe around 1 or 2. Now you are making your videos available for them, for your videos to be shown in their short feed, in their home feed, in their YouTube feed. So you should have a particular time for your what? You're posting your YouTube short. Timing is everything. Check your YouTube analytics to find when your audience is online and post during those times. Yes, this boosts your chances of getting immediate engagement, which is crucial for going viral. I believe you understand what I'm saying. Like, I know you are comprehending with what I am telling you right now. Like, these tips now is what people are using. If you don't know it today. I am sharing this information because I care for you guys. You guys' affairs are at the tip of my hand. All right. So, tip 3, repurpose content across platforms. What do I mean? Don't limit your content just on YouTube. Repurpose your shorts for TikToks, Instagram Reels, or even Facebook. This multiplies your exposure and brings in new views back to your YouTube channel. I don't know if you understand me. Like, if you are repurposing your content, like if you are sharing your content to different social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you are trying to bring in new viewers to your YouTube channel. But don't share your links. So I didn't mean sharing links. Do not share any YouTube links. Okay? So there you have it. The 5 pillars to going viral on YouTube Shorts. The first thing is hook them in the first 3 seconds. YouTube Shorts are always 16 seconds, 1 minute. But right now, YouTube has changed it to 3 minutes. So you can upload your YouTube short in 3 minutes video. Alright? So hook them in the first 3 seconds. Okay? 2, Keep it fast-paced and visually engaging. 3. Leverage trends but make them your own. Then the 4 is what? Optimize titles and hashtags because they are very, very what? Important. All right. Then the fifth one is stay consistent and keep testing. If you follow these steps, you will see the results. I promise you, I have been following this step and I'm seeing more results on my videos like this video, this video. They have given me a tons of what views and subscriber because of this particular short and this particular method, this viral method that I'm using. Like this viral method I'm sharing to you. If you ignore this method, you are losing your growth on the table. So you need to start implementing it now. Go and grab your YouTube growth from the table and start what? Implementing it what? Now, using these strategies, these 5 proven strategies that I've given to you. And remember, every viral short starts with just one upload. It doesn't go with 2 uploads, just one upload that you have this viral short. So don't wait, get started today. I mean, before this January 2025 comes to an end. Before you go, let me know in the comment section which tips you are most excited to try. And if you want more strategies like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so that you wouldn't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.